When it comes to electric vehicles, speed and range are great, but safety is non-negotiable. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 safest electric cars for 2025, based on the latest crash test results and safety ratings from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. These vehicles didn't just pass, they earned the highest honors in crash protection, driver assistance, and overall occupant safety. If you're shopping for peace of mind on four wheels, this list is where you start. Number 10, Subaru Solterra. The Subaru Solterra combines all-electric efficiency with Subaru's signature focus on safety and all-weather capability. It received the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating for 2025, thanks to top scores in crashworthiness, pedestrian impact protection, and standard active safety tech. Powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, the Solterra produces 215 horsepower and 249 pounds-feet of torque, offering smooth acceleration and balanced handling for everyday driving. The EPA estimated range is up to 227 miles, with fast charging support up to 100 kilowatt. Inside, the cabin is practical and comfortable, featuring a raised digital gauge cluster, a large 12.3-inch touchscreen, available StarTex trimmed seats, and Subaru's familiar blend of function-first ergonomics with modern flair. Number 9, Toyota bZ4X. The Toyota bZ4X is a compact electric SUV focused on safety, efficiency, and everyday reliability. It earned the 2025 IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating, performing well in all crash tests including the updated rear occupant protection. The all-wheel drive version delivers 214 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque. The Toyota bZ4X offers an EPA estimated range of up to 252 miles for front-wheel drive models and up to 228 miles for all-wheel drive models. The interior is functional yet modern, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a large cargo area, and intuitive Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 driver assist features as standard. It's straightforward and user-friendly, reflecting Toyota's focus on reliability and no-fuss usability. Number 8, Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Ford Mustang Mach-E brings sporty styling and solid safety credentials to the electric crossover market. It earned a top safety pick rating from the IIHS for 2025 models built after May 2023, scoring well in crashworthiness and crash avoidance, though it narrowly missed the Plus designation due to acceptable headlight ratings on some trims. The dual-motor all-wheel drive versions produce up to 480 horsepower and 634 pounds-feet of torque in the GT Performance Edition, with a 0-60 time around 3.5 seconds. Depending on the configuration, the Mach-E offers range figures between 250 and 320 miles. The interior features a large vertical 15.5-inch touchscreen with a minimalist dash, and premium options like a panoramic glass roof and Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving system. Number 7, Rivian R1S. The Rivian R1S is one of the safest and most capable electric SUVs in the US market. It earned the 2025 IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus designation, with excellent results in all crashworthiness tests, particularly in the updated side and rear occupant protection assessments. The R1S is available with multiple powertrain options, including the quad-motor setup that produces up to 1,025 horsepower and 1,198 pound-feet of torque, delivering massive off-road performance and a 0-60 time under 3 seconds. Depending on battery configuration, it offers up to 410 miles of range, while the interior blends ruggedness with refinement, featuring a large panoramic roof, vegan leather seats, wood accents, and a pair of large touchscreens for infotainment and climate control. Number 6, Genesis Electrified GV70. The Genesis Electrified GV70 is a luxury midsize SUV that earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award for vehicles built after April 2024. It achieved good ratings across all updated crash tests, including frontal overlaps, side impacts, roof strength, and rear occupant protection tests, while its pedestrian crash prevention system was rated advanced and its headlights earned good ratings. Under the hood, the Electrified GV70's dual-motor all-wheel drive system generates 429 horsepower and 516 pounds-feet of torque in the advanced all-wheel drive trim. The EPA estimated range is up to 236 miles, powered by a 77.4 kWh battery pack with fast charging capabilities. Inside, the cabin is premium and tech-forward. It includes an optional 27-inch OLED infotainment screen, Bang & Olufsen surround sound, Napa leather seating, mood lighting, and features like a fragrance diffuser and massage option for a spa-like ambiance. Number 5. Kia EV9. The Kia EV9 delivers top-tier safety, spaciousness, and versatility in a bold 3-row all-electric SUV. It was awarded IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus for 2025, showing strong results in frontal, side, roof strength, rear occupant, and pedestrian crash tests. Available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, the EV9 in GT line trim offers 379 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, enabling a 0 to 60 miles per hour time around 4.5 seconds. EPA estimated range ranges from 230 miles on the base light trim to 304 miles in light long-range rear-wheel drive, with all-wheel drive versions typically rated around 280 miles depending on configuration. The cabin is designed for families, offering 6 or 7 seats, swiveling second-row options, a flat floor, ambient lighting, multiple USB-C ports, and comfortable materials that balance durability with upscale feel. Number 4. Hyundai Ioniq 5. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 stands out with futuristic styling and exceptional safety performance. For 2025, it once again earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating, thanks to its excellent crash protection, strong roof structure, and advanced driver assistance features. Available in both rear-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations, the dual-motor all-wheel drive version delivers up to 320 horsepower and 446 pound-feet of torque with a 0 to 60 time under 5 seconds. It also offers up to 303 miles of EPA estimated range, depending on configuration. Inside, the Ioniq 5 offers a spacious and versatile interior with a completely flat floor, dual 12.3-inch displays, sliding center console, and eco-conscious materials, all wrapped in a clean, lounge-like design. Number 3. Audi Q6 e-tron. The Audi Q6 e-tron brings luxury and safety together in a sophisticated electric SUV. Newly introduced in the US for 2025, it earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating with top marks in updated crash tests, pedestrian safety, and rear occupant protection. Powered by dual electric motors, the Q6 e-tron Quattro delivers up to 456 horsepower and approximately 427 pound-feet of torque, offering confident and responsive acceleration. Depending on wheel size and trim, EPA estimated range varies from 307 to 321 miles, with the Ultra package and 18-inch wheels offering the higher figure. Inside, the cabin is modern and tech-forward. Features include a driver-focused virtual cockpit with a 14.5-inch OLED display, an optional 10.9-inch passenger screen with privacy mode, augmented reality HUD, premium materials, and optional Bang & Olufsen 3D audio, all wrapped in a luxurious, minimalist design. Number 2. Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y remains one of the safest and most popular electric vehicles in America. It earned IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus in 2025 for the 7th consecutive year, excelling in crashworthiness, crash prevention, and structural integrity. The Model Y offers up to 330 miles of EPA range and delivers strong performance with 384 horsepower and 376 pound-feet of torque in the long-range all-wheel drive model. Tesla's safety focus extends to active features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, and a 360-degree camera system powered by its signature camera-based autopilot suite. Inside, the cabin is clean and tech-focused, with a 15-inch central touchscreen, hidden vents, and an expansive glass roof that adds to its open feel. Number 1. Hyundai Ioniq 6. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 leads the pack with top-tier safety and cutting-edge engineering. With an EPA estimated range of up to 361 miles for the long-range rear-wheel drive version, it's one of the most efficient EVs on the market. The Ioniq 6 aced all IIHS crash tests, including the updated moderate front overlap and rear occupant protection assessments, making it one of the most complete safety packages in 2025. It delivers up to 320 horsepower and 446 pound-feet of torque in the all-wheel drive variant, offering smooth, confident performance. Inside, the cabin is modern and minimalist with dual 12.3-inch displays, sustainable materials, and plenty of legroom, especially in the rear, thanks to its extended wheelbase and flat floor. Safety first, style and speed second. If this list helped you find your next EV or just taught you something new, hit that subscribe button for more smart EV rankings every week. Stay safe and see you in the next one.